Hello there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at this shop called EV World, also known as Motoheads. I am here to install a crash guard for my Hunter. It's called the Mototorque Bull Crash Guard. Yes, I have already a leg guard installed in my motorcycle, as you guys can see, but it's too fragile and also it has taken a beating, so I have to replace it. Let's go inside the shop and see. This is basically an accessories shop where you also get electric scooters. So there are some helmets, jackets, also few crash guards of Mototorque might be because they are the official distributor of that company. So this is what it is. I requested the lady to unbox the product for me. You guys can see it came in a nice packaging and it's getting unboxed. A nice powder coated body with a pretty good weight to it, unlike the original Royal Enfield crash guard. And it came with an axle, few stainless steel nuts and bolts and 4 sliders. And this is a mechanic who arrived to install the product. As you guys can see, he unwrapped all the nuts and bolts, kept it aside, and now the installation process will start. So I have to uninstall this OEM crash guard or leg guard from Royal Enfield, and the weird fact is for that you need to get rid of the full exhaust system first. I was worried about that this guy may scratch my exhaust, although I have noticed a few scratches because it was kept on the ground. Although he tried his level best to not scratch the exhaust, he kept one slider just below the body of the exhaust to avoid some scratches. He was kind enough to do that. Now the uninstallation process will start for the leg guard, and unfortunately I don't have a clip for that. The uninstallation is done right now. You can see that I have mounted it on the back of my bike because I want to carry it home for future uses, or I will donate it to someone though. And I was excited enough to see that the crash guard was getting ready right now. The initial impressions were not that great because this is a pretty bulky crash guard, and a small bike like Hunter was unable to carry the looks of this bulky crash guard. Also, after the sliders were installed from this angle, it was looking pretty nice. Looks are subjective though, I can't comment on it, but I honestly think that the looks will grow on me shortly. It already has while I'm making this video. Now it looks cool to my eyes. Previously it was an eyesore though. So the installation is done and this is the final look. After 3-4 days I am making this video, and right now I do think that it was a good purchase at the end of the day. So guys, this is what the video says. I hope you guys liked it. Do like, share and subscribe if you guys want to support the channel, and thank you for watching the video. Good day.